Hello, Chef Eddie. Will you feed the animals for me?
No, I'll be in the hospital.
Hospital? For what?
3rd-degree burns.
I can feed the animals for you.
What? What is it? What's wrong?
Nothing. Have you ever even fed the animals before?
No, but Duck knows how, and he can help me.
Okay.
Duck, help me feed the animals!
All right, Scooter. You take care of the pigs, and I'll take care of the chickens and ducks. One must never look Leonard in the eyes. Looking at Leonard in the eyes is like staring into the sun, man. It's like staring into the sun.
I'm going to go take care of the pigs now. Normally.
Whatever. Here, chickie, duck, duck. It's me, the superior feathered poultry who broke free from this prison of which you still live. What? What's happening? Oh, my foot! My foot! Ah! 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 Ah!
Help! Help! Duck, help! Help, Duck! Ah!
We're all gonna die! Ah! Pig, return to the ark! I mean your house! And chickens, peck no more! I'm never gonna have you guys take care of the animals again.